Welcome to Ngoboton Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us grow. Hey, tada. This is Ngoboton Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 1, Devon City 0. Kunjani futhi?
Ngikhona kanjani bra?
Siyaphila man.
Yeah, no.
Ngiphamsisana sakho.
Yeah, no. Agree anong re snake ama Pirates because of tsona lo re dlala le Pirates fanag. So
Ayibani ka mavinga.
phela ke re wa itse ba tlo menya. A ke re mo ba nne re le happy ka draw ya bona. So today ba tswa ka letse fela o tlo menya. O rejiwa ba ntse ba laga ya no ntse re ja masapo a bona. Ngona ke ntho tsa teng.
No ba bang ba no ithatela bolo wa batla mo.
Ayiyo ntheo o no dlala wena ke tso menya o thitse. Ba tso menya mo a ba tlela.
Okay, but what's your take on the game today?
I'm not happy. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not happy. Now, but no, one winning yana because right, Chiefs, or something. No, I'm not still happy.
Why are you not happy?
So we were under pressure for nothing. We are putting ourselves under pressure for nothing.
Yeah.
I mean, you can look at the game when they're about to end. They were busy conceding many corners. You understand that? Or we should have done something better than to concede a lot of corners there for nothing.
Yeah.
You know, so I still. Not happy.
But at least you got 3 points. Don't you get that at least encouragement, or maybe you might finish top 3?
I top 3. So we don't want to. I don't want to dream about that.
What do you want to dream about?
Ntho ke batla nna a ke bona ka ra ke thole.
Keng
nna ke batla coach ke tlo felletsang le di player tse build up le di player
mara coach e tlo tlang no o batla re ye etseng like do you need more points le yona khotsa o build up fela
ke batla fela build up but at the same time le coach o re bontsha direction re go kae.
Don't you think the best way to get a new coach ke he season e fedile at least ba tswele pele ka ntho ile gore ba etsang for now and then he league fela le kre coach o motjha
matswa ke bora ke nga this two abana starting lineup each and every game starting lineup is different. Each and every game starting lineup is different as if they are building. I mean we are tired of building. Each and every season we are building. No, what are we building? What are we building? Pirates, they don't build, they just pay players and then they just carry on. We just buy players now. They are good players. Some are playing, some are not playing. Next week this one is playing. Next week. Yeah.
No,
Abu Batman. Ba feletse ko kae? O understand how re ke yona ntho like na ke understand consistent ayo go Kaizer Chiefs. I don't know like na ke batho o etswa a ke batho blind fela ke win. Yes, I can say happy for the win. Even my kids are happy. As you can see them, they are happy, they are celebrating. You know, last ke tlile bana mo manage tsamaile mo game so faili e bohloko bo ne bo le mo even le ka game ya derby ke tswile mo ke le one ka ba ka tloja dijo mo ke re ngono ke
at least dijo di ne di tsena
ne ni tlamele no kena because of
le o bethwe ko ba buele management ya ha mola. What is your message to them se ile gore se ka mafatleng ya ha so se batlang
wa tshwana bo Kaizer Mtaung nna a ke happy ka the way ba etsang ka
no bulela le bona o sa ba that person
Kaizer
le management
Kaizer Mtaung guys please ke kopa le etseng something. I mean team e ke team e golo guys re tswa le yona whole team e and yanong
something like
a good
something like what about something
no ba etseng ntho e right ba tlo le interfere mo di coaching because re utlwile di rumor a bila se di rumor re utlwile bo Baxter ba lla ka gore ba interfere mo everything is am tswetswe ke coach a ba tloele coach e ketsetse spane e etse the way ba tlang ka ting ba tloele this thing ya bona ba tla interfere each and every ba tseisa ka batho. I mean ona no utlwa mapakane ya tseisa ka rona re a bua ba re no lona ba le buletse case so sorry
no thank you my brother. I hope ba ka so tshwara o tswa bola.
All right no stress. Thank you.